Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're not being able to connect to the internet or are having connection issues, then watch this video. Now the first thing we need to do is look for internet options in the search bar. Open it, we'll come to internet properties, go to connections tab and then click on LAN settings and make sure that it is automatically detect settings for LAN. So if this is checked, uncheck it and check automatically detect settings for LAN. And then click on apply and click on OK. Then we'll click on advanced also before we click on apply and OK, and we will click on restore advanced settings. We'll click on apply, we'll click on OK, and then after that we need to input some commands into the command prompt, and these commands will be in the description of this video. So right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, and then we'll enter the command netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. Now this will reset the IP. Then I will enter the command netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. Now I have to restart the computer, but I'll do that later because I have more commands to input. Then I will input the command ipconfig space slash flush tns and press enter. This will flush the DNS cache. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to release the IP. Now I will not press enter on this because this will disconnect your connection. So I will input ipconfig space slash releaseip and press enter. You'll see as soon as you press enter here, your internet connection will get disrupted. So this will release your IP. Now you need to renew your IP. So you need to get a new IP address. For that we will enter the command ipconfig slash renew and press enter. Once we do that, we need to restart the computer by going to the start button, clicking on the power button and then clicking on restart, and you should no longer have any connection issues related to the internet. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.